In this segment, we're going to see how to install a BNC crimp. Now, BNC connectors is what we normally use with CCTV application, especially with analog cameras. BNC connectors are also used with high definition analog cameras. So it's important to know how you could crimp a BNC connector. The most popular BNC connector is 3-piece BNC connector. And let's see what are the tools that you require. You require a crimp tool. You require a BNC stripper. Now, when you buy the BNC stripper, make sure you buy the one with 3 blades. So you've got 3 adjustment screws here. So it's got 3 blades inside. Then you may also require a side cutter. Let's see how we can connect a BNC connector to this RJ59 cable or coax cable. So I'm just going to cut this cable here. Then before you use this BNC wire stripper, make sure that you clean it. Okay. Now, when you strip the RJ59 cable, it's important that you strip the right length. Now, you could see here, it's got 8 and 4 millimeters. So that's the right length that you should strip. But however, it's easier with this type of stripper tool because you could just simply place the cable inside the stripper's tool. Just make sure that you've got some, maybe a 1 mil cable just sticking out for the copper. And that would be the right length to strip. So once you've done that, all you're doing is just spinning it. You can now see that the cable is cut in 3 different depths, and that's what you require. So the first thing to do is send the ring. The second one is make sure your pin goes and sit on this copper. Then we're going to crimp this one. Use the smaller size here, and the classic mistake a lot of learners do is they use the first size, which will simply flatten the copper, and then you don't want that to happen. So always check the sizes, go with the smaller one. Once you crimp it, you can now check whether it's the right length. It should be the same size as your BNC connector. The next thing to do is connect the BNC connector. You hear a click, and that assures you that it's connected properly. Then bring the ring. Now you could crimp the whole thing.